Sukhoi Su-25 Grach is a subsonic, single-seat, twin-engine jet aircraft developed in the Soviet Union by Sukhoi. It was designed to provide close air support for Soviet ground forces. The first prototype made its maiden flight on February 22, 1975. How many Su-25 does Russia have? The Sukhoi Su-25 Grach, NATO reporting name, Frogfoot, is a subsonic, single-seat, twin-engine jet aircraft developed in the Soviet Union by Sukhoi. Can Su-25 carry nuclear weapons? It can carry 4,000 kilograms of ordnance. The Su-25SM is capable of carrying 2 nuclear bombs. These are designated in Russia as Spikal aviation bombs. Around 80 aircraft were upgraded to the Su-25SM standard using some of the systems developed for the Su-25TM. How many Su-25 does Ukraine have? Current inventory. Su-25 Soviet Union 16. Is Su-25 any good? Image result for Su-25. The Su-25 has few advantages in this case. It has 34% higher cruise speed, it can use any fuel available, it can take off from literally any surface. This means the Su-25 can be located closer to frontline and it can reach it much faster. This is real close air support. Does the Su-25 have a gun? The Su-25 can be armed with 350 kilograms to 670 kilograms laser-guided bombs, 500 kilograms incendiary devices, and cluster bombs. The aircraft's twin-barrel gun, the 30mm AO-17A, is installed in the underside of the fuselage on the port side. How many Su-25 does Azerbaijan have? Current inventory. Sukhoi Su-25 Soviet Union 11. How many Su-25 shot down? 4 Su-25s. 4 Su-25s were lost in combat. Top speed, 590 miles per hour. Range, 466 miles. Wingspan, 47.0. Weight, 21,610 pounds. Unit cost, $11 million US dollars. Engine type, turbojet. First flight, February 22, 1975. Role close air support. National origin Soviet Union, Russia, Georgia. Design group Sukhoi. Built by TAM Management. Tbilisi Aircraft Manufacturing. Ulan-Ude Aviation Plant. First flight 22 February 1975, 47 years ago. Introduction July 19, 1981. Status and service. Primary users Russian Air Force, Ukrainian Air Force, Korean People's Army Air Force, Peruvian Air Force. See operators for others. Produced 1978, 2017. Number built over 1,000. Variant Sukhoi Su-28.